What's going on YouTube? Welcome again to another video. So as you can see, this one is another gear review. So I picked up this tent, which is a two-person tent for my motorcycle camping trips. And it's not a popular brand. It's called Lence. It's from Amazon. It has essentially the same design as, let's say, most backpacking tents. So it has the poles on the outside, and then you just hang the tent on it, and it's really easy to deploy. So that's why I bought it. It's also smaller than my old Coleman tent that I've been using, because the Coleman is a four-person tent. It's much bigger than this, of course, and then it's just the way it's, when you keep using it, all the other stuff in it, like the poles, get loose over time, and it's really hard to set up because it's just not the same design as this. So without further ado, I'm just gonna deploy this and show you guys what it looks like. So let's see, it opens up. It's really small, so it's like my hand. It's like two of my hands. It's much shorter. I guess I think the poles are, when it folds, they're like 14 inches instead of the longer one. So here, so that's what it looks like. I'll leave a link in the Amazon on the video for the Amazon link. And so essentially that's what it looks like. So it's really nice. It's compact. It's a rectangular shape instead of a square, because it's a two-person, so it's snugly two-person tent. We'll deploy it here, and then I'll cut to a portion when I'm actually on the trail using this. So I'm not just gonna deploy it here in my house. So here's the poles, pole bag, stakes, and the tent itself. Fairly simple. It has no footprint. The rainfly. There's a rainfly on top, and the tent itself. So, and then there's the bag with your tie and instructions. All right, guys. Here's the tent deployed. It's a good size for fits two people. I think it's not snug at all. I think it's just a good amount of size. Good price too. So I didn't put the rainfly yet, but I will, and it's right here. I'll show you that when it's installed, but I want to give you guys a walk around first of the skeleton. This what I was looking for. I want this design because the Coleman that I used to use have sleeves where you have to route the cables through, and it's super annoying. You know, I don't like doing that anymore. So here it is. There you go. We'll put the rainfly on now. All right, here's the tent all deployed with the fly. Yeah, it's decent. Total price is $80. So it's a lot of value for the money, I think. For moto camping, it's about 4 pounds, if it matters to you. I should cinch these down. So I gotta cinch these down, the bottom stakes. I forgot to. But yeah, you have an entrance on both sides. So yeah. So if you're interested in this tent, it's $80. I'll link it on the description. But this is my new moto camp tent. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.